This morning, trading the Micro E Minis. I'm going to show you guys a trade here, talk about my entry. I'm going to show you my entry. I'm going to show you the overall thought process. I'm going to show you where I took profit at, and I'm going to basically just talk through the trade as it's happening, showing from the market open to basically taking profit and how I locked down close to 40 handles in profit here on the final and last contract. Trading with 4 contracts and locking down profit as we went here. I'm going to show you guys the trade and all that action right here today on the number one day trading channel. So let's go. Tuesday morning, I'm short right now on the ES, on the Micro E Minis right now, and short here at the 8,000, at the 2,840 area is my entry, and looking for this to get down here to the 2,800. So looking for a 40 handle move to the downside. Currently, my stop is there at the 2,851 area. And here we go. Market is just now opening. So looking to see if we can get this pullback here. Expecting a little bit of volatility here to the upside, possibly popping up there. That's why I got a little bit bigger of a stop, but still not a big enough stop to, wipe me out either way. So just kind of playing this into the idea of following this momentum. Not in love with this trade personally. We'll see if we get stopped out here. One of these trades that I was like, okay, well, I'm gonna let this one just set my stop and let it ride kind of thing. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out, but if it works out, it'll work out big. So I'm only gonna risk 10 handles for a possible 40, 50 handle move or more, maybe 100 handles. My goal is to hold this for some serious profit today. Instead of trying to trade in and out a bunch, just trying to let one big profit. Not so much one big profit, but have one just like really solid trade here and see if we can't get stuck at this 840 area and start to sell off again. The market's up 3% on the day so far. Looking to see if we can't get a nice little sell off here as we kind of get some weak hands. I'll take a little partial, take like one contract off once we get down here to the 830 area if we get down there. But like I said, I'm looking for not that I'm looking for a big winner. I'm just looking for a nice, big, solid trade today. Not so much worried about the P&L, but more so just the overall, risk to reward here. Like I said, risking 10 handles for, 50, 60 handle move is my goal. Looking for, some selling pressure here. See if we get below this 830 area now. Look to take a little bit of profit off here. I think that's the biggest thing is just trying to be patient here. We've had some really nice moves lately in the market, so just got to let this trade kind of work out. Going into the trade with that idea like, hey, here's my stop, here's my target, this is my plan. So you can see kind of what I'm looking at, that's 2,800 area. Now, one of the reasons I did not put my stop right here like at the 47s was because I was just worried we might get a little quick spike. But this is kind of, like I said, kind of overall risking 10 handles. Risking 10 handles for a 40 to 50 handle move to the downside. So that's my risk to reward. It looks like right now we're kind of finding a bottom here. Got the support kind of coming up here. I think we're going to get a little bit more of a bounce than I was hoping for. So I might look to just kind of cut this off if this does keep kind of bouncing above this 840 here. Some indecision in the markets right now. Not figuring out if they want to go up or if they want to go down. The $1 million question. Which way do we want to go? You can see that first 5-minute candle almost being a doji there. A lot of indecision, I think. So let's continue to hold through this. See if we can't get back down there to the 830 area again. Lose that support there at 830 and just kind of wash down here to the 800s. Looking for 830 to pop up here. Nope. 830, there we go. Looking to see if I can get some covered there. So I got one cover. Oh, nope. I got one cover there. I'm going to adjust my stop loss now just to... You can see right now I got 3 contracts. I'm up $200. Currently unrealized. Already locked in. Profit there. At 830, got filled and looking for this to get down there to the 800s. So you can see currently my entry there at the 840 area, 2,840, and looking for this to get down there to the 2,800. So just kind of sitting back here, being patient, waiting, watching. Get down there. Up $260 unrealized currently, 270 on 3 contracts. Already took a little bit of profit, like you saw earlier there at the 830 area. That was 10 handles. A micro E-mini is a $50 profit. So let's see if we can't get a 20, 30 handle move here. A little bounce back there from the 222 area. Looking pretty good so far, as long as we can, I think, stay below the 830 area. Let's see where this candle opens at now. We got another 5-minute candle opening here. Like to see this candle kind of just wash through this 822s. Put it out there, 820. So getting another cover there. So only got 2 contracts left now. So we're looking good. That was another $100. So we're up $150 currently. Up $150 on this trade. And looking for that 805 area next. Pretty much looking to hold these last 2 contracts till we get down there to the 805 area, and then kind of figure out if we want to take a little bit of profit or if we want to keep holding. You can see yesterday the market down there to the 2,700 area. Look, not that I think it's going to get that low, but I definitely think we can see this. It would make sense to get down there. So you can see now we're at 815, up $248 on the last final 2 contracts. My head always getting in the way here. I don't really know where to put my head at. Where did I put my head? Right there? Is that a good place to put my head at? I think maybe that's a good place to put my head at. So 816s right now. Pretty much what I'm going to do now is just so that way I'm like locked in profit here. I'm just going to put my stop loss. So either way I'm locked in for $100 here, but we're letting this one ride. Let's get down there to the 2,800. 2,800 coming up. 2,800 coming up. 2,800. Currently, we're up $300 on these final last 2 contracts, so up $450. Looking for 8,000 for the 2,800 area here. Getting down there, 2,810 now. I think I'm going to take a little bit right here, actually. So I'm going to get filled there, 2,810. And I've currently got 1 contract left. 1 contract currently on that contract up $160. And looking for this to fall through that 2,800 area. 3rd contract, that was 30 handles. So basically we took 10 handles here at the 830s. We took 10 handles here at the 820s. And then we took 10 handles there at the 810s. And we've got 1 contract left. That 1 contract currently is up. So basically we took 10 handles. We took 20 handles. We took 30 handles. And we're looking for our final kind of target down there, 2,800 area. A little bit of a bounce back right here. So I'm going to just basically kind of sit back here, be patient, kind of give us a little bit more time. I think we can still get a little bit lower here into this 2,800 area. But either way, I'm basically going to just put my stop loss. Basically what I'll do is I'll put my stop loss on this 20 handles lower. So you can see on that final contract, up $150 currently. Looking to see if we can't just get down there where we want to go. Can we get down there to where we want to go here? Like I said, putting my stop here at the 2,821.50 area. That's still, it's going to be 20 handles on that last and final contract. So it's all good. It's all gravy, baby. Can we get it? Can it happen? Let's see. Let's see. 8,000, 2,000. I keep saying 8,000. 2,800. 2,800. Let's go, baby. 2,800, 2,800, 2,800, 2,805, 2,805, 2,806, 2,806, 2,806. It touched it. It touched it. It touched the line. It touched the line. I'm going to see if I can get filled there. Oh, baby. Rock and roll. So getting filled there, locking it down, baby. Beautiful. Just beautiful. All right, so that worked out beautifully. The low of that candle was 2,803. 2,803, basically hitting right down to our target. Our overall plan of getting short up here at the 2,803 area. Worked out right there. You can see on the trend here, or horizontal line, we pull us across. So we basically just got short here at the 2,840 area right there. I'm trying to get my head out of the, where can I put my head at here? Just put my head somewhere, Patrick. So basically getting short there, 2,841, getting covered down there, 2,805, and lock in profit along the way. So that worked out beautifully here, and that's really all we needed to do. Just easy peasy mac and cheesy there. Right now, just kind of sitting back and being patient, waiting for the next setup. The reason that I got short, you may be wondering why I got short where I got short at. As you can see, we had this overall sell-off. Expected, a bit of a bounce back. We bounced back. The tops of these candles, bam, 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 getting all stuck in that 2,840 area. So once I saw that, it was like, okay, I'm going to start getting short here and then risk, 10 handles off the tops, kind of over these candles right there, and kind of made sense that we could touch down there to the 2,800 area one more time there. Just was calling my name. It was just calling my name, so there's that move. That's the 40 handle move. We were a little under 40 handles, but still pretty damn close to 40 handles there. So basically looking at my orders, I got a fill there at 2,806 from the 841. So pretty damn close to 40 handles. I'll take it. 30 to 40 handles every day. That's great. Plenty for me. That's all I really need to do here. I've got a couple charts pulled up. I don't know why. For some reason, I started basically looking at this chart earlier when I was talking about it, but hopefully you guys can see it there from the 2,840 down there to 2,805. So looking like kind of bouncing back now, kind of expecting that little bounce back here. Like I said, I'll be waiting to see if we break below that 2,800 area. If we break below there, then I'll look to get short again. If we break above this area, I might look to get long. So either way, I'm kind of just sitting back and being patient. No point in really rushing anything or forcing it right now. So nice little trade this morning, trading the micros, micro E-minis here, and just locking down some profit. So there it is. If you're still watching this video, don't worry. There's a lot more videos right here on the #1 day trading channel for you to check out and learn more about day trading. So don't be afraid and check out these videos right over here. 1, 2, newest and latest and greatest videos for you to check out. Also, hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already.